So this is implementing a GPS tracking device by using XBs and an Android phone. To start out, the GPS data comes in through this GPS receiver, and then it's constantly spitting out the NMEA data. That data goes into this XB. This is the transmitter for our tracking device. This transmits that NMEA data, which it received via UART, the UART, to this XB receiver, which is mounted inside of like a base station here. So this base station has the receiver to receive the GPS data that's been transmitted, and then it sends it over to here, which this is the Spark Fun yo-yo board. And how this works is it receives the UART data from the XB via this blue wire, and then it takes that data and it transmits it via Bluetooth. So what we can do is hook that up to our Android device, and I wrote a Java application called GPS Tracker, an Android application, and it's right here. It's hard to see on the camera, but it opens up, and basically what that does is we have a button to connect, make sure that we're connected to the yo-yo board, and it receives that data and prints it out in the screen. This phone's dying, so I can't show that right now. But I guess the big parts of this project, all of these components here, they communicate together because they're on the same logic levels, so it's just plug and play to get the data received and transmitted. But the hard part is programming an application for the Android device, and that's done in Java, and you have some XML files and other things. The big thing that I learned from this project was that it's important to buy a book about what you're trying to do. I should have went out and bought a book about programming an Android application, and I also learned that it's important to do your research, make sure that you buy components that communicate together, and I did that, and that greatly facilitated this project. But my name is Bryce Perry, and this was done at BYU, Idaho.
That's where he's putting all these. Is that where they are?
I think so.